time back to working on the 2.4 and making a mess of printing. Let's download the making a mess of printing right now, and then we'll get back to the 2.4. Bad things. Okay. Oh, that looks so much better. This is what happens. Change things. Forget about it. Cancel print. Print. And we're off to the print. Off to the printers. Yeah, sorry. Just this is going on right now. There we go. Okay. Now that we got all the printing stuff out of the way, let's hope it doesn't make a mess of itself. That's still a possibility. We got some stuff to do. Lots and lots and lots of stuff to do. Why is this on the screen? Screen. So yeah. This is the deal. This is what we're working on. Today, it's back to the 2.4, and there is so much to do. These fans aren't hooked up. The lights aren't hooked up. None of the bracing is in for the bed. The Nevermore. A Nevermore needs to be installed. That's probably the first thing I'm going to tackle. Since last time, I've discovered that I can put it in here. It will fit in here. Though that is probably going to require some removal of this stuff. So yeah, we've got some ups, we got some downs. Hey Zex, hey Nick. Yeah, Nevermore. But I do have charcoal that's not going to ruin the inside of my machine. It's 4mm pellet virgin bituminous coal. And so that's going to be going in. That's going to be the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put Nevermore in. I think the best bet that is to take that off. Maybe not. Maybe we'll leave it. I still haven't, made the new one with the curved corners. That's coming soon, one day. But first, we got to put this thing together. That's going to be the first thing to do. I'm going to get the little plastic pieces I don't need out of my way. Camera in a place that'll actually be able to see what we're doing. Whoa, I don't understand. Sorry, just gotta fix this thing. Okay. Really? Still a little bit better. still really, really bright. That'll do. And as soon as I close it, it went back. Unbelievable. It did. It literally reset itself back. Now the colors are all wrong. Sorry. Whatever. I give up. Holy crap. What? It's like 10 times worse. And the bad thing is it doesn't save these settings for you, eh? When I come in to stream again, all this will have to be redone. What do we got now? Okay, I don't look like I'm dead anymore. And did it go back to what it was? Somewhat. I give up. Taking the insulation off the bottom of the bed. Yes. No. No, absolutely not. Insulation on the bottom panel. So, the reason this exists is because it melts everything. Bed is just too close to acrylic for acrylic to stay solid. So I have had to insulate both the bed and the thing. Otherwise, you know, just the middle will melt or the whole thing melts if I don't insulate that panel. This insulation down here is going to come off in certain places, but I'm leaving the rest of it on. I know part of what Nevermore does is move air around and pull heat off everything and move it around in the chamber, which keeps the bed on more. But until I can get an ABS panel for this, I'm gonna have to leave it the way it is. Like, you can seriously melt that with a hairdryer. Like, I'm not kidding. Yeah. Acrylic is not the answer for the bottom panel. I wish the people I bought that off knew that. And of course, now I have all this. It's all on here. And can you imagine the mess to take that off? I know I have. I've tried to imagine it. It's gonna be bad. So I'll deal with it, but maybe a long time down the road. Because once it's up and running, you know what I mean? Once it's running, the need to mess with it sort of diminishes. Whether that's for the good or for the bad. Oh, I actually find that the hot end cooling, the heat, that contributes a lot more. is what I find most of my cooling comes from. I mean, heat comes from in the chamber, not cooling. But yeah, I'm sure the part cooling does quite a bit too. Like, I don't know what this is at. Good for you, printer. You worked this time. I guess I was the one who was wrong, not the printer. I have an idea. Tweezers. There we go. Now, this is kind of, you know, this kind of bugs the crap out of me. I'm gonna have to do this all through that hole and shove everything back through it, but it's gonna be very, very tight. And it's going to make it so the fans are not very manageable. Okay, so what fans do I have here? They're 24 volt. Okay, okay. I didn't buy the 12s. I thought, do I buy 12s and put them in parallel, or do I buy 24s? So I ended up buying 24s. It seems. So I just have to hook them up. Sorry. Yeah, 12s in series, and hook these up in parallel to the connector I'm going to put in. Okay, so here we go. First, we'll prepare these. Actually, I'm going to cut them. Cut them about there, and we'll prepare them. What we'll do, I'll grab this as an example. See if that's the way the polarity is. Would seem that would be correct. So we want negative and positive, even though we'll double check that. I will get the board diagram. This is the octopus. This is the F4. I don't know. The F429 I have. Might be. How can I tell? This is how I can tell. F446. Firmware diagram. Oh well, I'm sure that one is fine. And I'm sure the positive and the negative hasn't flipped. Okay, that's good. So yeah, the top row of the pins is positive, the bottom row of the pins is negative. So I am going to prep this. That's too big. That's also too big. Where are my numbers? There. These. Too much moving stuff around. I swear, every time I stream, everything I need is in place. Right now. Oh well. Wow, that orange is yellow. This? Orange. More wire than that. So yeah, I'm doing the full size skeleton hand on the on the Trident right now. See, the thing I find with this is it's in the wrong place. So if you're putting in a connector like that, why are you putting it in? So I have to plug it in before I attach everything anyway. So it's I kind of find the connector pointless, but I'm doing it anyway. Just the way I roll. Okay, one at a time then. Okay, let's get this. Yeah, that's weird. These wires are like different lengths. Okay, this isn't going too bad. Actually, good. Crap. No, I'm not going to bother. I was going to put heat shrink tape. Those 10 really too easy. Okay. Do that like that. Should take care of that. I still think there should have been bigger hole. There should be bigger holes in here. Like, I don't understand how this can move any more air than the single one. Nail pin is designed to be soldered to PCB. Okay. I don't have a PC board. I don't know why there's a hole here. Why is there a hole there? Okay. And then this. Once we have magnets in there, we'll get installed. There. That is their next step. The magnets. Oh, good. They go in there really tight. Most of them do. That one didn't. Neither did that one. Neither did that one. These are going to pop out. There's Nevermore that fits a 250 B2. Aren't these the same distance apart? Sorry. I'm pointing at things. Are these not the same distance apart on a 250? They must be. Because even this. What am I doing? I got the real stuff here. Oh yeah, that'll burn a hole in your stomach. That I'll need one of these, another one of these little tiny screws. I should always order more of those. So the other thing that needs to happen is this. I want one of these down here, one of them about in the middle. But I guess it's time to think about cutting out space for the Nevermore. And in order to do that, I want a knife. I want a knife. Where's my knife? It wouldn't just be lying in there. Of course it's not. Okay, we'll just have to use this knife. The big scary knife. Might be better anyway. Okay. That, I see, has a countersink on it. Does this? No, this does not. Okay, I'll deal with it somehow. Looks pretty good. So now, let's mark our spot. Whoa. And then we'll take it back to here. Now, I gotta be really careful here, because of course there's an element behind there. I just cut across the surface. I didn't. Oh my. Oh my. Okay. This is a mess. This stuff is like broken down. It's like powdery. So I'm going to have to go get a vacuum cleaner. Okay, I have a vacuum cleaner. Now, how am I going to do this? I guess do it with this. First I'm going to try pull it off. See what I get that off with my hand. So prepare for vacuum noise. Wow. Wow. That came out really kind of quickly and easily. Still need to sort of clean it up a bit. That cleaned up really good. But of course, you can also see the reason I don't want to take all this off. Because it is kind of a mess under there. Okay, so what do we need here? We need a couple 3mm screws. I'm gonna go with socketed. Mainly because I can use a larger hex screwdriver. That's not big enough. 16s. Oh, that's too big. So we're right the first time. Yeah, I should get those magnets out of here. Okay, so what do we need to put this in here? Sorry, I'm just all over the place with the camera right now. What do I need? I need some roll-in T-nuts. About right. I don't know where the other one went. Oh, I got a mess in there now too. Oh, I see where the other one went. Now it's gone to a different place. Okay, so what I'm going to do to line this up is I'll use one of these, and I can get the screw holes lined up. Oh. Okay. Oh well, we'll have to push it in from the top. That's the wrong one. Come on, get out of there. Don't do that either. Okay. And try it again. Come on. Ah. Okay, that's on there. Okay, so now if I take this, push it forward, and see that that is where it needs to be. Now, let me guess. No? I just put it in crooked. There we go. Smack. Perfect. Now we'll leave that out for now. And now I need some M5 roll-in T-nuts. So I think I'm only going to put it in one of these. Come on, really? You're gonna have to walk around. Oh, God. It's too awkward. It's just unbelievably awkward anyway. Like, there we go, it just dropped in. Now, 2 more. See, I don't think I need to cut that out down there. want this to sit at about the same, in the same area as this. So now we need 5 mil. M5. Where's M5s? There's M5s. Too many screws. Okay. There we go. None of them are tight. They will be in a moment. I don't think I'm going to need the second one. Okay, there we go. They're all in. That's what we end up with. Oh no. I've lost some finger bits. That's not good. I'm determined to print this. Okay, so maybe all I need is a little bit of alcohol. That'll make me feel better about the whole thing. Okay. Let's go. So that, you know what I said earlier about why they would make it so you have to plug it in before you install it? Guess what I didn't do? Okay, yeah, I'll be able to get the plug in. Okay, so we got to get a plug in there. We need a wire to come down, and it needs to come down with this stuff, join into here, and basically work its way to here. I think here, maybe not there. So, gonna need some wire. I hope that works better. So for this one, we'll measure from this end up. I guess I should print some labels. Yeah. Like, it's almost a waste, but not to have it labeled and then wonder what the hell it is later. So we've got our label. You would think that that would cut. That won't cut it. So, not much waste every label. okay. Just stuck to the side of my crimper. Must have dropped it and it must have fallen in the tool bag. Oh, come on. Okay. So it basically needs to plug in here somewhere. And then we need to feed it all the way down. Really? What's wrong with you? Okay, I think that's going to be enough. I'm a little concerned with this print because why is it only dropping off on the same corner all the time? Maybe I have to take the bed off, like re-prep it or something. Maybe I didn't do a good job across the whole part. And maybe that part of the bed is just not good to print on right now. Okay, so wiring. Well, for now, got wires. So let's fix that tape to it. Seriously. You know, why? Why? Garbage, total garbage. You're wire cutters and you, what can you not do? Let me start at the top. Cut wire. Why do you even exist? You know, if it was 20 years old, I could understand. But those wire cutters aren't even a year old. They're my second pair like that. The first one, the thing in the middle broke. Why did I buy another one? Because at one time I was ignorant of the benefit of proper tools. And no, I don't think I bought another one. I didn't. The first one broke almost right away. I just sent it back. But, you know. It's as fine as a hammer. Works fine. You can just smack on things as long as you want. But it's not a very good wire cutter. And I've got those auto wire cutters, you know, you just slap the wire in there. But it's no good for doing stuff like this, where you just basically need a millimeter off the end. I don't want to get this wrong. Why? I don't know. What? Seriously? What is the problem? See, that's the problem with these wire clippers. They're just on edge. for the size of that wire. They're basically too big for 24. They work on 22 and lower, but a lot of the wire I deal with is 24. It'll pull the sheathing. It'll pull the sheathing off the PVC stuff, but it won't pull it off the silicone. Because I guess it's so flexible. Come on. So this is the, the wire bundle we're dealing with here. I almost, how they used to, or they probably still do, wire the insides of machines with the wires wrapped in waxed string. I was going to buy some waxed string, try to do the whole bundle in where they tie a knot, string a piece, tie a knot, string a piece, etc. But yeah, it was very expensive. Well, I could have got cotton, but I don't really want, I don't know what you want. Something that doesn't burn easy. But the stuff that I found wasn't for wiring, so I wasn't going to use it. Just thought it would have looked cool. This obviously needs to be extended. Again, there's no point doing this in full zip tie until everything's in the bundle. The other thing, I might just make a thing to go from here to here to store all that wire in and have the bundled wires out from there. Okay, so we don't really know what we're doing between here and here right now. But we do know this gets plugged in up here. You have to string this down. So I need 1, 2, 3. 4? 3. I need 3. There are only 3. Okay, that's weird. There. Your turn. Come on. We can always print more of these. Very handy. Very, very handy. Leave some loose there. Okay, I'll figure out what to do with this extra lump. It's not really extra. This could probably just come down here, the end, and then go in and join with the other bundle. But right now it's there, which is kind of stupid because it should have probably gone behind those other wires. Oh well, what's the guy to do? There's Nevermore wired up. Give me a second. I'm gonna go grab. What am I gonna grab? What am I gonna grab? I was gonna go grab a sheet of paper, like newspaper. See if I could load up the Nevermore, but you know what? I'm gonna leave that. I'm not gonna load up Nevermore. We need to hook the bed temperature sensor up and start testing stuff. I'm pretty sure it goes here. And it's not going to reach no matter what. Okay. Tried to save the thing off the end of it and then dropped it. This isn't going to strip that wire. I need the piece of junk. Like, I don't know how that thing broke. These are not supposed to be junk. But they definitely don't cut wires like they used to. And it's not like I cut things I shouldn't cut. I don't know. I just don't know. Featuring tape. So I just pulled that all apart. I don't think I want it like that. Oh, this is a soldering job. And print a label for that. Bed temp. What else do I want on it? System fans. I'll just print this. I guess I should tin both of these. Well tinned. Easy. Oh, that might as well stay on. Oh no, it only takes a couple seconds to heat up. Pull this out of here. Other. Okay, so what's next? I don't see anything. Well, I guess there is that. No. System fans. Case fans. Case fan's done. I'm kidding, of course. I will clean those up. So I did make some quick changes on the Legacy last night. I created a different fan configuration for the case fan. And basically what happens is when one of the X stepper goes on, the case fan goes on. And it just runs at 30% all the time. Doesn't need to be loud and obnoxious. It just needs to pull air across those drivers when they're really under heavy use. And the only time is when the X stepper is in use. So that's what I did. So where are we here? We need power to the this, and we need power from here to the Pi. I have no idea what this is from. It was just sitting on my desk. Let's hope I don't need it. You know, I think, try to get a bit more off that. Two of these, couple of those, 100 of these, 60 of those, and next thing you know, I got a printer and a lot less money. That's not gonna work. That didn't work at all either. That did though. I don't know what I did wrong the first time. Oh, and then always buy 30% more than you need. So negative and then positive? and prepare for constant voltage warnings. Constantly. It's unbelievable. Everything I hook up to one of these has voltage warnings, voltage warnings, voltage warnings, voltage warnings. There's voltage warnings on the Trident right now. Looks like we might have a good print here. Okay, so we got that. Let's cover this back up. Now, I need to power all that. Now, the good thing about all that is I don't think I need to reinvent the wheel. Just got to find the last wheel that was used. And the last wheel is in here. That's it. So, two of these have these connectors on the end. Why? Because I'm pretty sure we don't use any of the bed stuff here. We connect it up to HE2 or some ridiculous thing like that. So the bed is actually controlled by a hot end controller. Let's go to the thing and find out, make sure that's right. By the thing, I mean the config file for that printer, which of course is on GitHub. Of course, which I have stored on GitHub. 2.3. Blah, blah, blah. So if we look, we're looking at printer, and what I want to know about is the bed. Yes. This is our pin HE1. So PA3 is the heater pin. And as far as I know, PA3. PA2 is the hot end, PA3 is the bed. And now that explains why my Trident has extra wires that I do not need. Because what I did is I actually hooked up the bed stuff, and I should have just hooked it all into here. Okay. So I should probably just shorten them, eh? Who would have thought I should have bought 2 bags of each of those? Oh, come on. Just need to go through the hole and go through the other hole. Okay, so we got positive. Okay, so we gotta go get a screwdriver. Where's screwdriver? There's screwdriver. He couldn't have gone far. He's only got one leg. Okay, so there we go. We got the SSR hooked up. Negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative. Okay, so now we got to figure out the the bigger one. Got to power the board. Okay, you know what? I'm going to cut. We're going to cut. Now, we all know that there's no way in the world that it requires these wires. What kind of hot end you doing there, buddy? You got like a 100-watt hot end? My guess is 40. Now I might need bigger ones. Yeah, I'm gonna use bigger ones. after I make sure they're not too big. Okay, they're not too big. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, there's another one of these somewhere. There it is. Actually, you know what? The funny thing is I'm finding that it's easier to put the end on the wire first. Because you can just turn the end and you don't have to turn the whole wire. Okay, so that's that. Oh, crap. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so there's the positive. And the negative. Now, what do we need here? Bed out, bed power, power, motor power. Okay, so this, we need 4-volt ground. We need ground. This is power. This is the motor power. Motor power is what we need the big wires on, right? But that doesn't make sense. No, we need the big wires on both of them. But we only have the big wires for here, which is going to go to the one that's supplying power for the hot end. And that's how it is. Nope, that's not how it is. Okay, so that's 24 volt. These need to be bigger wires. That's the motor power. That's like you can have 6 amps going through there. and they're like, oh, man, whatever. So let's take some 14 gauge wire. Because we could crank up the amperage, right? And we will. The funny thing is though, I think it's the board. The reason that thing is a beast, why the Legacy is just awesome, is because of the SKR2 in there. The other printer I put an SKR2 in is also an absolute beast. It can do anything. So I think it has more to do with the SKR2, because I don't think that I can get the same performance out of the other one. I could be wrong though. Maybe the wires are just too small. I don't know. Maybe this will solve that problem. This is all about improvements, so may as well be able to print faster, right? And I will admit, it's never really about faster. It's about better accuracy at normal speeds, but no. Providing more power to the motors. Somewhat what you're gonna get. Okay, so we've got positive ground, okay. That, my friends, is it. Other than the lights. We do the lights right now? No, we shouldn't. What we should do, drop that down. That's the 2.4 bed off. Needs a little bit of a sanding, or a refinishing, I should say, not a sanding necessarily, just to okay, there we go. There's Nevermore plugged in. I don't have anything programmed for Nevermore yet. I think we're ready to turn it on. You guys ready to turn it on? Ready for the bad smoke? Maybe we should have this up while we turn it on. Got the plug. Okay, it's plugged in. Nothing's on by default, so we should be fine. This is a bit of a mess. I gotta do something about that. I don't like it. The rest of the things, they are what they are. There's not really much we can do about having big wires running from here to there. Even though these are the tiny wires we're running the 2 amps through. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, let's turn it on. Pi is on. Board is on. I didn't get electrocuted when I touched the frame. Yay! No electrocution! That's a much more, much better picture. Well, nothing freaked out. Oh, mainsail's loaded. The chamber temperatures are off. They're at like -70, -68. So there's 2 thermistors that need to be plugged in. They were probably in that bag of wires that I threw around so haphazardly. No, they are not. Okay, I have a quick answer for that. I'm just going to go into printer, and I'm going to go down to my temperature sensors, bed mesh, fan, temperature sensors. There's the pi, there's the chamber temps. I'm gonna shut those off for now. They're gonna be a tough install, they are. One of them sits up top here. Right in here, and the other one sits down here, coming out top of the top of this. So they're commented out for now. Okay, end stops. Let's check our end stops. Z is triggered, probe is triggered. Probe, we have not installed the probe. Probe install. So probe. Probe is gonna have to, now the probe's gonna go exactly where the probe went before. But, since I got my flashlight here, we can drill a hole. The parts aren't ready. You know what? There's too much crap on here. Let's move all the too much crap over to here. And then there can be too much crap over here. But we're not working over here, so. Okay, so the X end stop and the Y end stop are open. Now, I have not installed the magnets yet. Because I have no idea which way they go in. So we're gonna hope that's right. So are we triggered now? Something happened. It's not checking my end stops. Not reloading. We must turn it on again. Yes. I did say it was a long week. Let's put these away. Whoa, that could have been bad. And that was bad. Okay, I think we're back up and running. Now, open, open, triggered, triggered. What's going to happen there? Why stop? Triggered. And let's see if X is triggered. X is open. X is still open. Okay, so how do I get that thing out of there? Okay, I need a longer screw than that. Okay, let's try that again. Make sure I do it right this time. The light is on. Don't push it in all the way. The light does not come on. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, let's start over. Not the right way. That's the right way. Come on. Now is it triggered? Yes, it's triggered. Okay, so now I'm going to push that magnet in properly. See if it triggers now. Yes. Pull it away. Open. Okay, so we should be able to home X and Y. Okay, there's X homed. And there's Y homed. Okay, awesome. Okay, I'm going home. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, hey, Serge, sorry. Oh. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, it is. Thanks for the heads up. And welcome to the stream. Yeah. Turns out I should have spent $3,000 on a camera instead of 700 bucks. The autofocus on the G7 doesn't sort of work as you're using it. So it goes unfocused, so I don't know what it's doing. Maybe it's me. Okay, so here we go. We got that in. Now, I think what I need to do is install this. This needs to be installed. Here, let me just move the camera. So, we need to get this installed. I don't have this installed. And in order to install this, reinstall this, I should say, we're not going to do what's done here. Because it's bad. It's really bad. It uses Phillips screws, which of course is just a nightmare in itself. So I'm going to clean that up. Okay, so the other thing is, let me get the pin for it because I think I need to push this through as it goes, because I believe the micro switch on this thing is actually broken. Where are the parts for this? Now I know how it gets out of focus. There we go. These are the parts for this. So I need this. Let's work that through there, and then I can try to pull this off the bottom while pushing down on the switch. Maybe I should just push down on the switch. Wow. That does not want to come out of there. Oh, wow. I can't imagine why this doesn't want to come off. And I'm afraid if I force it, I'm going to break it. like that. Snap, or maybe that was just it breaking its seal, because it seemed to be sealed to the plastic. Okay, it's a moving. Ah, no. So the question I have for myself now is, did I glue this in here? So yeah, it was broken. It still is, obviously. Okay, so it's in. I need to drill holes here. With the right size. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so those are the two Phillips screws. I have in my possession hex versions of the same thing. And I prefer to use those. I so prefer to use those. Okay, here we go. Nice. How am I going to get that out? Okay, so it's in there right now. That's too big. The other one, which of course is nowhere near me, is probably perfect. Okay, here it is. No. Oh yeah, it is. It's 5. I'm expecting to break something here. I'm hoping it's the plastic. Maybe like this instead. Okay, good. Now I just need to get it off the end of this damn screwdriver. Wow. Who would have thought? There we go. And clicky, clicky, clicky. So we're gonna have to reproduce that with a larger, a longer length of wire. Could call it a larger length of wire, but I think that would be inaccurate. Okay, so it's going here. It needs to go here. Okay, we'll do it there. Oink. Oh. Right into the leg of the camera, the tripod. Too many little plastic containers. Just from today, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. sitting on that table beside me. I guess I should probably label this one properly too. We'll get to that in a second. Okay, what do we got here? This is Z-stop. We'll just call it Z-stop. Because basically it is a stop. Wasting. Printing. Hey look, use twice as much as you need. Yay, we'll get more sales for more $40 freaking heat shrink tape. Yay for us. That's what brother is saying right now. Okay, so there we go. We got our new wires. Let's not waste those connectors though. Crush you. There we go. I crushed him. Okay, so thread in the middle. Black on the side. Specifically, that side. There we go. Now to figure out where to plug this thing in. Where does it go? Clipper back up. So that should be set up under Z1 or Z. UART. There's Z UART. Z. End stop. PG10. Okay, where's PG10? Where's PG10? All those boxes are sitting on the cord for my mouse. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. PG10 should be over here somewhere. J31. PG10, J31. I should not be plugging shit in. The power was on. This part has actually become a real pain in the butt. Thankfully, we're done. We will be soon. Okay, so we need a couple of screws and some T-nuts. Hey. What tool is that? What tool is what? Oh, this. Yeah, it's a JST depinner. I've got a whole set of tools to frustrate the hell out of me when I'm doing this. That's one of them. But I do find that I'm much more likely to recycle a JST end now. Okay. Well, that was just dumb. Like pouring something into a glass and immediately turning the glass upside down. So we're not going to get to print on this today. That's sort of been determined for us already. Because I don't have I have no way to separate the bed from the chamber from the electronics. Oh, come on. Okay, you stay in there now. Oh, come on. There we go. I was gonna say the nut doesn't want to thread. Okay, so now have that in place. It's actually way out of place. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess maybe I should push this down. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna find out. What am I gonna do here? I gotta fire the thing back up. We're gonna home X, Y, and I'm gonna move the X and the Y so it's sitting right above the pin. We'll update the values before I do anything stupid. We'll check the hot end heating, we'll check the bed. I don't know what else there is. Can we have a, can I, where's my Voron? Okay, there, my Voron. So that's where we are. We're at I don't know where we're at. Where the hell are we? We're at 230 and 347. So now I'm gonna go into machine and printer. And for some reason, you know, it's not on the network anymore. What the hell? God, Raspberry Pi, you just suck at networking. You're just like the absolute biggest piece of crap when it comes to networking. I'm not kidding. I absolutely hate them. Garbage. There's nothing wrong with it, with the stuff. But if I move the table, this is how stupid this is. Oh, it's back. You know. Wi-Fi on Raspberry Pis, as they've gone up, has got worse and worse and worse. And this has a 4B in it, and it absolutely sucks at connecting to the network. One moment it's there, the next moment it's gone. And then you go in and you make changes and you go to save them and you can't. It's such a pleasure to use. Okay, so we're looking for the position of the Z probe. It's obviously not under probe because it's not really a probe, it's the Z end stop. There's end stop pin. Position max. Okay, I don't see it there. I don't see it there. I don't see it. I just don't see it at all. It just doesn't exist in here. You'd think it would be in here. Not. Okay, I'm absolutely baffled now. I have no clue where the configuration for this is, but we know it has to be at 230, right? So somewhere here in this file, there needs to be, like, look at this, home XY position is commented out. That's basically what we're looking for right there. But it doesn't exist in this file. Shit. $347. Okay, so we need to know if it works. Oh, come on. Okay, it seems to work. Okay, it worked. That did not work. So I need to move 53 to, that looks about right. Why is it so far down? Okay, we'll see. It's 41. 41 is the new 53. And we're not connected anymore. Garbage, total garbage. Why do we use Raspberry Pis? Tell me, why do we use Raspberry Pis? The freaking wireless on it is literally directional. It's insane. There's so many better boards out there. Why are we using these? Do we like torturing ourselves with bad Wi-Fi? Because that's all this is. Just bad Wi-Fi. Okay, so here we go again. I'm in the wrong file. I need the clicky variables. And the 53 needs to be 41. Really? It's like, I'm not connected. Yeah, you are. What? Okay. Is it just me, or should, when, right now it should say triggered, right? Attach probe. Machine. Open. Dock probe. Attach probe. Okay, good. Quad gantry level. Okay, so quad gantry leveling is working. Z probe work, or Z end stop works, X, Y works. Z probe works. Tolerance 0.03. Oh no, sorry, 0.007. Okay, that worked. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the bed to 105 degrees. Bed temperature is going up. 25, 26. Oh, where did I plug in Nevermore? J57? Where did I plug in Nevermore? 1, 2, 3, 4, empty, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, empty, 5, 6. J55. So Nevermore is on PD15. And we've lost connection again. Isn't it freaking amazing? Isn't it unbelievable how much of a piece of garbage these pies are? I'm really, really getting sick of it. Not the right orientation for you? Maybe like that would be better for you. You poor pie, you poor piece of garbage. So what do I need? I need to change printer, and I need to add a new fan. Not generic fan. Okay, let's go to the clipper thing. I want fan. So we want a controller fan, what we want. And we want to tie it to the heater bed. Heater. So controller fan, Nevermore. Heated bed. What was the pin again? PD15? PD15. Oh, okay. Heater, fan speed. Fan speed. 1.0. Heater bed. Come on, you piece of crap. You gotta be kidding me. You're garbage. You're totally garbage. Like, that is just so stupid, it's ridiculous. It's not like I have a freaking lead wall right here, and when I move it over there, it's a different wall. No, it's the exact same wall. What's blocking it is itself. Literally, if I were to take this and turn it around and install it the other way, which I can't because of the wiring, it would work fine every time until I turned the desk around the other way, and then all the metal on the back of it is just blocking the radio signal. The Pi Pico works the Pi Zero works better with Wi-Fi because it doesn't have wrapped it all in metal. But they don't care anymore. The Pi Foundation is way past caring now. They've found their bucket of gold, and they're gonna take it for all it's worth. That's why we need to find new, better alternatives. Okay, so if I go to the dashboard now and I start the bed, Nevermore should start. Perfect. Now, let's fill this thing up. All of this is going to have to be put in plastic bags. I don't want this stuff all over everything I own. There we go. Nevermore, running on the heated bed. So I'm gonna go into machine, but of course I can't. I can't go into machine and printer. Oh, I can. Never mind, I thought it disconnected me. Because, you know, it does that. So what do we need? We need to go into the fan speed, and we need to change the idle timeout so that it runs for about, you know, 10 minutes after the bed shuts off, I think. So the idle timeout is in seconds. Yeah, 120 is what I had on the other one, which was 2 minutes. So $600 will give me my 10 minutes of runtime after the bed is shut off. There we go. Nevermore fires up right away. I can't change the speed though. I don't like that. They need like a combination of it, of generic and this. Okay, so let's shut this off and let's heat up the hot end. Up we go, 255. Might as well get it all up there, right? Do a quad gantry level. Must home first. Okay, let's home. So yeah, the hot end fan is working great. Now, parts fan, awesome. Let's just do a one-touch quad gantry level. It's gonna fail. I needed to override quad gantry level. I think I'm gonna need the new clicky one for that. Now we'll QGL. So what have we accomplished today? We've got Nevermore installed and wired up. We wired the bed temperature sensor. We've got all the 24 volts and the 5 volts wired up. For the bed, let's get rid of this probe. For the bed, for the I should cut those off. Oh, really? What is, you know, sorry, that's a side cutter that's just not cutting sides. I mean, won't cut the, won't cut it. Just doesn't cut it. Wow, yeah, that's it. That's our bed. Heated up to 105. That's our nozzle heat it up to 255. Cooling seems good. I guess I should probably stick some plastic in there and extrude it. Don't really have anything handy right now though. So there we go. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's all that was required. There is no more. Only that and nothing more. Actually, there is something more, but I'm not doing it. I'm gonna do it all after, when I got time to sit down and think about it. And I just don't want to do it now. Everything else is working beautifully though. I think the 2.4 rebuild is done. I know there's no panels on it right now. I also need to make a park macro that will bring this gantry all the way up to the top, out of the way. I should raise the gantry right now anyway. Crap. So I can't even use the entire length of the linear rails on here, because then it jams this, the wire thing up against the LEDs. Oh well. There we go. And pop this open. You can see everything there is working. I can feel the heat in there. So this thing is definitely pulling air, hot air through and pumping it out here, which means that we're going to get a quicker heating chamber here. We're not going to be able to measure all that until we get all the other stuff in, the temperature sensors. So the things that I need to work on off stream is realigning this, because now that this is in and everything's all tight, that's not tight. So let's quickly move that. There we go, back on track. But that also means that this moved when I attached all this stuff to it today. So what I was really happy about there is that second quad gantry level I did after lifting the bed and putting it back down. Didn't make any adjustments. It stayed exactly where it was. I'm pretty sure this will make some fine adjustments though. Mainly because I've moved this. And I'm thinking that was pushing it. But we'll see. We will see. What do we got here? Probe trigger prior to movement. Oh, nice. Okay, so we've got to do M18. Put the probe back on there. Do another home, because now it doesn't know where it is. No, I can't do that. What? So I'll write an override for quad gantry level that should go get the probe. Perfect. There we go. We're gonna call that done. We've got our 2.4. Basically, it's ready to print PLA. As soon as I can get the electronics separated. Hey, Bert. As soon as I can get the panel in there, we can start thinking about printing. I'm looking at the panel and I'm thinking like, I'm going to try to cut it myself. And basically just use my Dremel to cut the spaces for the pistons. And then I can get this installed. But you know, you can probably immediately see there's a problem. This thing actually hung from 4 bolts on the center before. And now it needs to sit inside. So I might actually have to take a hairdryer to this and get it to flatten out again. Even though you can see there's some spots that have actually stretched, like this here is actually stretched. Or I just wait. We put the 2.4 to the side, we let it sit there for a month until I get moved, and then I can order some ABS panels. Yeah, ABS panels. So that's the other option, is we just wait. I'm leaning towards that, but of course then my brain is saying, hey, if you're ordering ABS panels anyway, just try it. Don't not do it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna try. Just not on stream, just because there's just no place to do it. I've gotta do that. I've gotta set something up on the floor here and do some stuff to get that panel flattened out. But I am really, really happy with this. It has actually turned out really nice. And you know what? Let's put the panels on it. First, we'll take our doors. And I don't know which is which. I was going to take my car polisher, and I have a acrylic polish. I was going to see if I could polish the doors. Make all these like shiny and clear again. Thought that would be kind of cool. I didn't get to testing it out yet, but okay, that's the top. These truly are the best thing ever. The filament clips, they're awesome. I cannot rave about them enough. It's getting pretty warm in there. Just saying is all. So it makes a little more noise than it used to because of Nevermore. I'm also kind of concerned with the doors now. Though maybe black acrylic is more temperature sensitive than clear, but now I've got this fan taking heat off the bottom and moving it around. Like it's already substantially warmer in there just from putting that on. I don't have temperature sensors yet though, so. No, I didn't get a new place yet. How many per side? I did 12. 3, 3, and 3. My old one had 2 per side, 2 per edge, so 8 per panel. I found that 12 was better. It's definitely better. But I think based on what we've got going on here, I think we're done. I think the 2.4 is done. Except for, you know, the panel. So I'm gonna think about that. And I'm going to also look at making a nicer thing. I might put my serial number across there. On the old one, I just basically printed it on a clear plastic thing and put it all across the bottom. But I think I've accomplished all I'm going to today. I've got some stuff to do. That stuff being play Fallout 3. Sorry, I've been stuck on Fallout 3 the last couple days. Always been a game I wanted to finish but never did. So I've got hundreds of hours in Fallout 4. So I'm going back to Fallout 3. I've got my way into that last couple days. I'm gonna go eat, go play Fallout 3, let my printers print. Let's talk about the print that's printing right now. The one we tried to start the other night, last night. It's going just fine. Let me change the color. There, it's blue now. Let me change the color. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yellow. So yeah, it's printing pretty good. I have fear of one or two pieces that, well, no, they look fine. It's gonna work perfect. It's the right size too. It's hand sized. It's actually a little bigger than what it would be in real life, because of course it's not going to get to have any flesh on it. But I'm going to leave this here. I am going to leave this here. This is worked out quite well. Not many people around today to watch, but I guess maybe I'm doing boring stuff, so maybe they just don't want to watch. That could be it. But whatever the case may be, I'm leaving this here. I'll be back. Monday is the plan. I'm going to sit back tomorrow and enjoy Steve's stream, because I believe he'll be streaming tomorrow. And I will be back soon. So thanks for watching, everybody. Thank my supporters, current supporters, Bert and Alex. And I'll be back soon, real soon, a couple days, working on some new toys. And that may be it. I may be working on something. So don't miss out. And join the Discord, like the video, subscribe to the video, to the channel. What else am I forgetting? I'm not forgetting anything. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you all next time. Take care.